change Paramount Plus subscription plan. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your Paramount Plus subscription plan. So first of all, just simply open your preferred browser and simply search for paramountplus.com, and after that you will be landed to the official website of Paramount Plus. And over here you will see that there are two options. Either you can sign into your account if you already have a subscription plan of the Paramount Plus in your account, and if you don't have it, you have the option to try it for free for some time. So just simply click on try it free from the middle of the screen, and over here you will be landed to the page where you have to pick your plan before even starting a free version or trial in the Paramount Plus app, because as soon as your Paramount Plus free trial gets over, the money will be deducted from your selected payment method and your plan will be started. So for example, you want to buy the first one, which is a value pack, which accounts for your Paramount Plus with Showtime. So you can opt for this one. It has everything is essential and there is no ad except live TV and few shows. And the Showtime originals and the movies is also part of this particular subscription plan. There is also live TV with CBS and PGA tour, and you can download shows to your mobile device as well. But on the other hand, the Paramount Plus Essential, you will be able to see tens of thousands of episodes and movies, NFLs on CBS and UEFA Champions Leagues, and there is limited ads on this particular in this particular subscription plan. Even if you're watching live TV or few shows which have ads in the Paramount Plus basic plans, and there is also 24/7 live news in the CBC News as well. So just simply read through all the subscription package with which each of the subscription plan comes with, and after that just choose the one as per your liking. For example, I'm taking the first one, and over here you need to fill in your details like your first name, your email address, your password, zip code, your birth date and your gender, and click on continue. And on the next page you have to add your payment gateway option. For example, if you're using your credit or debit card, or you're using your PayPal or any other payment method option that is available in the Paramount Plus as of now, just enter all the card details over there. And once you have entered the card details, just simply get the subscription and just come back to the home screen of your Paramount Plus account and enjoy watching TV shows and plans. So this is basically how you will be able to change Paramount Plus subscription plan. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.